Hola, alumnes. En aquest vídeo us porto un cameo de l'actor Manu Bennett que he demanat que faci per vosaltres. A continuació trobareu 2 minuts d'escenes editades de les seves actuacions en el paper de Crixus, de la sèrie Spartacus. I al final, el cameo de l'actor. Hi ha alguna confusió perquè parla d'universitat, també coincideix que sembla que passa una escena pel costat, i dedica 30 segons, també no sabia si tallar, a parlar d'Andy Whitfield, que és l'actor principal que va morir durant la gravació. Bé, espero que us agradi molt, a gaudir del cameo.
I would have us free. Truly free. Do you really believe that Crassus will stop once you crest the mountains? That the Republic will let us quietly slip away? We have shown them vulnerable. We have shown them that a trembling hand can become a fist. We have challenged the idea that a slave must always know his place, accepting Rod and Lash because he was taught to accept it. We built their mighty republic with our hands and our blood and our lives. And we can see it fall at equal cost. You opened my eyes to this, Spartacus. Do not ask me now to close them. I will not die a faceless slave forgotten by history. Is that all Rome has to offer this day? And this day, it shall be Rome who shoots them! Shall we begin? We begin! We begin!
The undefeated Gaul returns.
Hey there, this is for all the students at Joseph Mass. Supposedly I hear from one of your teachers that you guys are fans of Crixus, the undefeated Gaul. First of all, thank you. Thank you for watching my show, our show. I always give a special credit to Andy Whitfield for being so incredible and amazing in his performance as the original Spartacus, and from there the journey began. For me personally, as an actor, it was a role that first of all had to honor two men, Spartacus and Crixus, who in their union created a true memorable rebellion against slavery, tyranny, and even to this day it represents ultimately our freedoms. There's a lot going on right now, a lot of debate going on right now about what that freedom still means to this very day. But hopefully soon. I'm not quite sure how your lockdown has been over wherever you guys are at this university. But basically, I just want to say thanks for watching my show. Shall we begin? Keep up the good work. Your teacher is very proud of you all. And, greetings from Crixus, the undefeated Gaul.